This is the Longhi espresso machine. Comes with two little containers for the grinds, and it also comes with this spoon and tamper. So you press it down, click it in, and put it on. First, if you'd like to froth your milk, put it on froth, and then you turn it to steam, and it'll steam and froth your milk up. Then you do your espresso. You can make a 2-cup or a 1-cup, and then you mix it up with your milk, and you have a beautiful cup of coffee. It's very tasty. Very good, very strong. Using this coffee maker is so much better than using a pod, because the hot water has to go through the metal cap and through the plastic. So you are ingesting those toxins every cup of coffee you have. It's a great idea to get a espresso machine to make your own coffee. I love the Longhi manual espresso machine because of its compact size and its quality make. It has a milk frother ready to go. It will make a cup of espresso. You can make cappuccinos or brew your lattes in minutes, and it's easy to clean. It's an affordable way to make a great cup of coffee, and I highly recommend it.